chance. You quite think so? You can say it to the world what you think, McCain or Obama. Obama, Obama, Obama. Yeah, Obama. What about if I said McCain? How do you feel about McCain? Are you gonna be Republican? No, Obama. Obama. Huh? You Green Party? Green Party? Green Party? Green Party. Yeah, green environment? Taxes. No taxes, yeah, no taxes. Huh? What do you think? What do you think? Definitely not W. Definitely not W. Yeah, W can go, yeah. I think so too, right? W is Alfred E. Newman.